Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So I quickly just wanted to talk about this moisturizer that I have here. This is the Innisfree Whitening Pore Cream. I would consider this as a moisturizer and it's very lightweight. I'll just show you the consistency. So this is the consistency of the moisturizer. If we apply it onto the skin, just a little bit is enough. It really settles in and it's very light. It's very good for normal skin. It's the smell is a bit that of like an orange, but as you can see, it sort of settles in once we tap it around, and it doesn't feel heavy on your skin after a while. So I would say this is a good moisturizer for Indian skin, for normal skin. If your skin is too oily, I wouldn't recommend it. Welcome back it's to another video. So because as I said earlier, it's not very heavy. As you can see, the color is a bit of sort of translucent white. So what they say is this is supposed to be whitening, but even after using it for around 2 weeks, I didn't feel like this is whitening as such, but I would say it is just a general good moisturizer. As for the smell, it smells a bit like orangey. It's not very overpowering, but it's still good. So it's very expensive. I got a travel pouch one for free, but this being very expensive, I don't think you need to spend this much of money, and it really doesn't deliver what it promises, the whitening properties. But apart from that, if you have like a normal skin and you want some good moisturization, it does give your skin a very supple feeling, even though it doesn't necessarily whiten the skin. So that's about the Innisfree whitening cream. And if you guys really like this video, please make sure to leave a comment, give a like. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.